Morning, morning, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, everybody. I'm here back with the next vlog. Guess what Kila just do? Make breakfast for me. Aiden right there.
I know that alone we can cook. Yeah, right.
She made this for me. But me didn't she didn't make them hot. But me did go do something and come back and them kinda cold. But me hot them up a while ago in the microwave. So vlog girl in her room. If you're not here on my phone up here, rub. Them flitters are bad, starfish fritters. They slapping. I'm fast to come in. And I put my pop right here. What? So right now we just get the icy them. This is mine and Aiden one. And Kila get one of the large cup. Then we never get none for your father. They don't look on him light up and knock him. But you're free. Okay. And when it start, this will get ready. The nose part. I'll put some gas in the hold on. So vlog world, what going on? We're here. Out in the streets, I'm at Target. Me and Kila. Should I go exchange this? Are you buy shirt?
No.
What?
That's right.
She buy something and ask me if I carry her back to change it. So that's what we're doing today. And then I'm going out again on the road. So you know my sleep schedule all messed up right now. I don't know. Maybe I take a nap and she come in there and wake me up.
You never do that.
I was. Yeah, wicked. Yeah, wicked. Killer that said zero. She gonna ask me if that can fit. Me have titty. Look for mine.
Just
What that?
it's just a question.
Oh, me fi ask. Me have breast? You ask me if it fit.
It's just a question.
Remember when she did so little, no me there in there, I find breast here with that. Jesus Christ. She grew up on me. This is medium. 4 to 6. Amazing one do, no don't watch that.
Small. I don't wear small. And look, I find large, right? But it's not on a rack.
You good, you don't need a rock.
Okay, but it's stuck.
Pop it off.
No, if I pop it off, then I'm never wear it.
True. You have sense, you know. I would say. Wish I could hide something with it. reach at the club. We're there at the club right now. And we're there still a record. You see it? I'm there with the engineer for the new single when I go drop. And I can look out for this. This I go fuck up road. Tell the people and boy and thing.
Yeah, vlogger, big up on yourself.
Yeah.
You know, Antwin music, you know what I mean?
See him Instagram will pop up on the screen and be something.
So I don't know, engineer, artist, producer,
All of that.
writer, composer, everything. You know what I mean? Big song we have it right now in private. You know the boss there.
I look on the little setup and see what going on already.
Portable.
I say when you hear this, girl pussy boss. Lincoln, big up yourself. I'm a team buckler within a studio/club. Within a studio/club and the song done. We just done record the song. We now get a sneak peek. I'm a team. Your pussy feels so good. Have another one. I'm not lying, I'm gonna take a nap and just wake up back. But a night now. What I do with that? I don't even know what time. I just jump up and say me end the vlog here. Cause I left the studio. I reach home. So I end the vlog here. I still not have no computer. I look for buy one. I not get the one no more. You see me like with the right video card and all of them things there. But I still look laptop. You see me? Me in Atlanta same way. And yeah, thanks for watching the vlog, yeah. Go and mad up your thing. So no, tomorrow again with the next vlog or probably the next day. I keep on up to date and make you know when I get a laptop or what I go do. I try my best to get on the vlog them on time. I think I just one day I miss. If I carry this right, if I count the day them right. Cause I'm on a laptop for edit, so we'll probably get the vlog them slow. But the vlog them are forward. Record one banger song. Me get back the movie file and I go re-edit back the movie when I do shoot a New York when I buy a computer. Everything Gucci. So yeah. I go back go sleep. So mad up on yourself. Thanks for watching. And my thing.
Shake it. Say them bad but me no say my bother. Tell a bad mind boy suck him mother. She a climb on my body like ladder. She a suck it off to go gather. Bend her over, fuck her, drop her. Now give them gyal a dollar. Fuck me proper, man a shatter.